In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most important AI launches in last 1 year as a digital marketer. And fortunately, I am testing this tool from last 1 week as a digital marketer into my workflows as well as in my daily day-to-day activities. The tool is literally shaking up the entire market. You must have saw in your daily reels and all the trending things. The tool is none other than but DeepSeek R1 model. People are saying that it is more powerful than ChatGPT 4, Anthropic, as well as other AI tools like Perplexity and Gemini. So I've decided that I'm going to test this tool as a digital marketer as well as the testing which I have done in last week. I'm going to show you so that you'll able to make your decision whether it's the right time for you to jump on another tool or you should wait for another 1 to 2 weeks. Along with that, I'm going to give you the overview of why people are hyping this tool literally every day, and I'm going to share the document containing all the important prompts which you can use as a digital marketer in DeepSeek AI. So if you want to use DeepSeek AI as a digital marketer rather than paying for ChatGPT 4 subscription every month, this video is exactly for you. And yes, if you're new here, I have created a community dedicated to digital marketers across the globe. Link of that group is in the description. See if you can qualify. The group is open and you can join that group for free. So without any further ado, let me start sharing my screen. So as I told you, this is one of the most surprising AI launches of this year. It is not from OpenAI, Google, or Anthropic. The amazing thing which I like about this tool is that it is open source. That means anyone can able to use the entire machinery in their own laptop and hardware. And from last 1 week, this tool is literally shaking up the entire AI industry. For instance, Nvidia has lost, I guess, over 10% of their market share. US tech giants, companies who have invested billions of dollars into the AI, they are literally getting scared in just last 1 week. And one of the reason is because DeepSeek is quite cheap as compared to the brands who have invested billions in their GPUs and other models. And that is what makes DeepSeek R1 very special, because it is totally open source, and secondly it is totally free to use. That means as of now you'll able to download the app in your phone as well as you'll able to access the desktop version of DeepSeek AI without paying anything. That means it is totally free. If you compare the same model with ChatGPT 4, that means the premium version, you'll able to see the same kind of answer you'll be seeing in DeepSeek AI. So as I told you, it is currently on par with GPT's 4 and other leading models. In other leading models, you have Perplexity.ai, Anthropic, and then Gemini. And along with that, Facebook has launched Llama, and which was performing quite well. On Twitter also, if you see Grok.ai, so you literally have tons of options as a digital marketer to explore. But the reality is, in last 1 week, I myself have opted only few tools. I've installed only a couple of tools, and after testing all those tools, I find that only few AI tools are actually in use as a digital marketer. Especially in my life, I don't use all the AI tools because there are literally a lot of tools to explore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the techniques as well as advanced strategies which you can use as well as a digital marketer. You'll able to use DeepSeek AI in your entire workflow. Alright, so as you can see the screen, I'm using this tool from last 7 days. First, I'll give you a couple of example and then I'll share the prompts which I'm using in my daily day-to-day tasks and which you can use as a digital marketer. So, for instance, this is the prompt which I have compared with ChatGPT and other tool as well. So I'll give this prompt one more time. I'm going to go on new chat. By the way, if you haven't created the account, you literally have to create the account using your Google, or you can sign up with email. The issue is if you are signing up with the email, you might not get the access of DeepSeek instantly. You'll have to wait for a couple of days. But if you're signing up with the Google, you'll get the access most probably immediately. So the prompt number one which I'm going to put is that give me the strategy for my website. I'll put the website link. You can put any other website and you can test as per your own convenience. So I'm going to put enter, and you can see it will start giving me the entire structure of how I should start the SEO as well as what can be the plan if I'm going to do SEO for the given website. So starting with technical SEO audit, in that I can see check website speed, mobile friendliness, fix broken links. That means this tool have literally went through my website and saw where we are missing and how we can improve. In terms of keyword research, they have given a couple of keyword research. For instance, digital marketing agency, SEO services, and then other things. On-page SEO optimization, title tags, meta descriptions, header, and content optimization. And then if you see content strategy, blog post, case studies, video content, and similarly, you'll able to see other kind of strategies, which is quite important for you if you're planning to do SEO for any website, is already there on DeepSeek. And the fact which I like about this entire answer is because the same kind of answer you'll able to see on Chat GPT-4, that is the premium version of GPT. Now, next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the data with DeepSeek and see how it will analyze my data and give me the answers. So, to do that, first I'm going to upload one proposal. Now, you can upload any kind of idea, or let's say if you want to upload any file and see how it is performing, you can do that. In my case, I'm going to upload one PPT, and I'll give this prompt that suggests a budget allocation strategy for a startup running ads on multiple platforms. Now, I already have uploaded the PDF stating my entire proposal as well as how I'm planning to do the budget allocation. But let's see how this platform will see the proposal and give us the budget allocation strategy. I'll click enter. Now, if you see the budget allocation, an answer is quite clear. In every platform, you see, for instance, on Meta, that is Facebook and Instagram, it has suggested 40%. And the reason, as well as the focus, is already there. They have given the reason why they have recommended 40%. And similarly, if you see on Google Ads as well, the tool has suggested 30% budget allocation. Along with that, reason and focus is there in each platform. So that way, if you see, you'll have a better understanding, as well as if you see the key considerations, the testing phase, retargeting, analytics and optimization, seasonality. Based on all those factors, you'll able to see and allocate your budget using this tool. Well, similarly, I had asked for a bio update on one of the Instagram profile, and this was the prompt that give me the IG bio for this profile. I put the bio profile and from the given website as well. So if you see, first it will think for 15 seconds, the thought for 15 seconds, and you'll be able to see what and how the algorithm is working. The thinking process is there. That means you'll be able to get more understanding of how the tool is thinking. And after thinking, you'll be able to see the answers. And that is the updated bio for this Instagram profile. So this is it for now. If you like the video, do subscribe and do join the WhatsApp community where you'll able to network as well as get all the opportunities into digital marketing across the globe. That means UK, India, and other market. And if you have any other doubts, do comment and I'm going to answer each of your comment.